Chuck's teasing me. He says, oh, coffee with Conti on Tuesday morning when we're filming this segment. Dude, I can drink coffee anytime.
Yeah, me too.
Welcome to the channel. Let me ask you this. Sunday night's going to be a big event. Where are you going to be watching my, I don't know what you want to call it, the jump or whatever you want to call it. Where are you going to be?
I'm going to be at home.
On the couch?
Yep.
Awake? Yeah. Okay, that's a plus.
Maybe.
Sunday night special event. Actually, I was going to share with you guys today, and you'll love this when we actually do air it, how to steal a C8 Corvette. What?
What?
See, that sounds just like you. Hanging around this guy too much. What I wanted to do today, because of the seriousness of the situation with the tornadoes in Kentucky, it is devastating. You guys have been watching, I've been watching all the footage that has been shared down there. And it's overwhelming to think what these people and these families are going through. And I feel helpless. It's like, you know, you want to do something, you share your thoughts and prayers, but you want to do something. I think somebody said that in one of the videos. Hey, okay, those are good, but hey, somebody needs to do something. Agreed. So we want to do a little something here, and by doing that, I think every little bit will help in the big picture. In addition, it will create awareness for others to do something. I mean, I want to go down there and dig in and start cleaning up and helping these people get their lives back on track. I don't have the capability of doing that. I don't know what to do.
Yeah,
I mean, there's agencies that they specialize in that kind of stuff.
Sure.
Speaking of which, I think too, I'm 99% sure tomorrow, right here on this channel, my son Ryan and I will be in Bowling Green, and we'll share with you a really unproduced, a nonchalant, a very real, a live video as we drive around the Corvette assembly plant, Corvette museum, and that kind of thing. So check us out tomorrow sometime. I'm not sure when we'll be down there, but you'll see the notification pop up here on my Rick Corvette Conti channel. But right now, I want to thank Pat at American Hydrocarbon. He donated something to us back in this box, and C8 owners, he was like, hey, I know what that is. That's pretty cool. It is really cool. So what I'm going to have you guys do is when Chuck and I show you what's in this box, I'm going to have you bid on that up until Christmas. Now, I also need your help in the comments down below, because I don't know what agency we want to take that money and donate to. So whatever the highest bid is, we're going to donate to that agency. I'm going to kick in some money. In addition, Ryan and I tomorrow, I've got some stuff we're going to bring to the Red Cross and the Salvation Army, some clothes and some other things that are just going to help them just try and live a normal life until they can get their lives back together. But I'm not sure what agency to focus on. So help me with that, guys. I appreciate that feedback. I know the state has a big tornado relief fund and that kind of thing, but we're a Corvette channel, so I'm trying to do our efforts here kind of focused more on the folks in Bowling Green. So I appreciate that feedback. So Chuck, if you would, man, let's show these guys what we got in here. Pat at American Hydrocarbon, thank you so much. This is awesome. Very nice gesture. And we're going to put it to good use. I told Chuck, I said, hey, I want to film the segment. He goes, you really want to unwrap the whole thing? I said, well, yeah, I want to show you guys what it is. He goes, okay. He goes, that's wrapped up pretty good. Yes, come on, man.
Come on, man.
Yeah, absolutely. So this item will be for a C8 Corvette. I told him he should turn around and face the camera. I mean, he wants to show off the Corvette logo on the back of his work shirt, but
right.
Hey.
New work shirt.
And after we show you this, we're going to finish today's video with a beautiful rides segment as well. We got some more stuff coming up this week on the channel. Like I said, the live video should happen sometime tomorrow, and another teaser video, and then the kind of my biggest video ever. It will certainly be the best production ever on this channel is going to be Sunday night. Wait till I tell him he's got to wrap it all back up. I just told him over gun and wrap it all back up.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for
that. Head there, sorry, buddy. Look at that. That's beautiful. And this is done in carbon flash, so it will match a lot of the standard properties on the Corvette. Your body blade, the front fascia, and this is This is gorgeous. So look at it, got a little flare up right there. Carbon flash splitter, beautiful. Donated from American Hydrocarbon. Guys, bid on this. The winning bid, we'll announce the winner on my social media platforms, Rick Corvette Conti on Instagram and Corvette Conti on Facebook. And then we'll get this out to you so you can get it installed. If you're local, then we can install it here. But what a nice add to your C8 Corvette. Just to extend that front splitter area just a little bit, all contoured, all one piece, not a multiple piece. This is beautiful. You like putting on the one pieces, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you really do. So thanks you guys for the feedback on just giving me some ideas, others watching the channel ideas, and what they can do to help the devastation in Kentucky, more specific in the Bowling Green area. Thanks for watching today. Appreciate your support. Make sure you subscribe and you turn on the bell notification. But you guys already know you're going to come back Sunday night. I want to see what this event thing's all about. Why did he buy that Evel Knievel costume? You're going to see on Sunday night. And then tomorrow we anticipate, I really do think that we're going to be able to go. I got my schedule cleared. I'm going to take my day off and go down to Bowling Green and share just some stuff with you live on video and talk to the folks at the museum. So until then, thank you again for the support. Get those bids in here, guys. Thank you so much for thinking of others, and then you get a little something to put on your C8 Corvette as well. Let's finish it up today by looking at some great looking cars. There's a few more pictures in here of some failed situations from the tornado of Corvettes and a Corvette pinball machine, and then really, truly, we've got some great looking, beautiful rides. Talk to you soon.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one.